Welcome. And today's documentary is taking place inside of St Mary's Park. This park is in the middle of Nottinghamshire, so a lot of stabbings happen here every day. As you can see, the local teenagers have no respect for the park benches as they draw penises all over it.
Who the heck is filming it?
In this park, there isn't much wildlife, but there is an apex predator who kills whatever takes a break here. This poor bird looks like to have been murdered by this stick. There's a guy pissing, come on! Let's get an interview this guy pissing! Come here! Come here! Get an interview! If you would like to follow me over here to this park, nowhere near where we were minutes ago, nowhere near, you'll see these rare white poppies. Now these poppies don't grow everywhere, but they grow in abundance at this park. Honestly, it's fascinating how that works.